Welcome back to another Eat Like a Man. I'm gonna cook a steak, just a plain old ribeye. Problem being, this thing here is disintegrated. This is my charcoal chimney starter. Now I can start a fire without a charcoal chimney, but I'm about like this thing, rusty. So I need to do something about that. I could just go to the store and buy one, but what I'm going to do instead is walk over here. Right here to my old scrap pile, by which I mean old refrigerator, and I think I can make something out of that after I do some measuring and laying out and thinking about how I want to get this done, and I'll show you what I did. Then I get to make a steak. Got all my lines laid out. I think I know what they all mean. Let's start drilling holes first before I cut anything, because I'm actually planning ahead for the first time in my life. We'll see what happens. Alright, all my holes are drilled. My hand's tired. I don't know how many holes that was. You can count them. 400 billion. It's a lot of holes. Now I'm going to break out the death wheel and shape this thing. As you can see, I messed up my very first cut. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go an inch and a bit that way and make more holes. Alright, I suppose you needed to watch me cut all that. Ow, sharp. Ow, sharp. Ow, ow, sharp. Got all that cut out, and hopefully you can see the shape of what I'm going for. I got to cut that out, and I almost messed up again. Hopefully that'll be alright. Now for this next bit, I'm wearing gloves because, ow, sharp, ow, sharp. I just got to roll this into a circle, and we can go from there. Now I said circle. It doesn't have to be a circle. It could be a tetrahexagon for all I care. This isn't going to be marketed or sold to anybody, so it ain't got to be pretty. That's chimney-ish. I think I just need 2 more holes. For that, maybe I need a different drill bit. I don't know. This workstation leaves a lot to be desired. Oh well, it is what it is. That's good enough. Now for more holes. Alright, this is it. It actually looks like a charcoal chimney. For the grate, I just used some of that, some of this stuff here. expanded metal and held it in with screws. It is not a permanent solution. I'm tired of dealing with it. Can't think of anything better right now. Probably what I'll do is, I don't know what I'm gonna do. For right now, I'm gonna dump charcoal on this, light it. I'm gonna stay way the heck away from it because it's gonna burn all that paint and crud off of it, and ugh, gross. After I get done with that, I'll bring you back and we'll fire it for real and see what happens. All right, this sucker's burned in, oiled up, washed up. It no longer smells like carcinogens. I guess that says something about me. I've got this grate getting hot. I've had that guy dry brining all day long. Now that this fire's really, really hot, I'm gonna throw that on there. That's gonna rest for a couple minutes while my grate gets hot again. Then I'm gonna repeat that crossways, and yeah, let's go. That is ideal. That's done. I'm gonna throw that on a plate, make my side thingy that I want to eat with this. Then I'm going to eat. I'll show it to you in a minute. Lights disappearing. Food is done. Didn't have any potatoes. I forgot. Chill. So you got my trademark top secret, however many cheeses I had in the fridge, mac and cheese. I'm gonna cut that, see what it tastes like. All right, I did overcook it a tiny bit, but it literally took like 4 minutes to cook it. I usually cut mine that thick. I'm not used to working with chunks of meat this thin. Anyway, that is my DIY charcoal chimney. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. I'm gonna go eat before this gets cold. Write your own jokes.